everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a small but mighty component that can make a huge difference in your audio and lighting setups. The QIANRENON XLR panel mount short cable connector. This isn't just another adapter. It's a cleverly designed piece of hardware that addresses common challenges in professional environments, offering a clean, reliable, and integrated solution for your mixers, stage lighting, and custom enclosures. The first thing one notices about this QIANRENON connector is its specific purpose. It's a feed-through bulkhead mount converter. This means it's designed to be securely fixed into a panel, providing a robust and permanent connection point. For anyone building custom rack cases, patch bays, or even just tidying up a studio desk, this feature is invaluable. It transforms a messy tangle of cables into an organized, professional-looking setup, allowing for quick and easy connections without fumbling behind equipment. The fixed mount ensures that once installed, it stays put, preventing accidental disconnections or wear and tear on your primary equipment ports. What truly sets this QIANRENON adapter apart is its integrated short cable, measuring 35 cm or 13.8 inches. This isn't just a convenience. It's a design choice that significantly benefits signal integrity and reduces clutter. Instead of needing two separate XLR connectors and a short patch cable, this unit combines them into one seamless piece. This minimizes potential points of failure, reduces signal path length, and ultimately contributes to a cleaner audio or DMX signal. The male-to-female configuration is standard and highly versatile, making it suitable for a wide array of applications, from connecting microphones to mixers to linking DMX controllers with stage lighting fixtures. Durability and performance are also key considerations, and the QIANRENON XLR panel mount doesn't disappoint. It features gold-plated 3-pin XLR contacts. Gold plating is a premium touch that offers superior conductivity and excellent resistance to corrosion, which is crucial for maintaining a pristine signal over time, especially in humid or demanding environments. The robust construction suggests it can withstand the rigors of frequent use and transportation, making it a reliable choice for touring professionals and fixed installations alike. Its solid build quality ensures a snug and secure fit for any standard XLR cable plugged into it, minimizing wobble and potential signal degradation. In essence, the QIANRENON XLR panel mount short cable connector is an indispensable tool for anyone serious about professional audio and lighting management. It's not just about connecting cables, it's about creating a more efficient, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing workspace. Its thoughtful design, combining a secure panel mount with a gold-plated, integrated short cable, makes it a standout product for enhancing connectivity and organization in any demanding setup. For those looking to elevate their system's reliability and cleanliness, this QIANRENON adapter is an exceptional choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.